Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Today, we are going to talk about literary conflict and nonviolent solutions. Are you ready to listen? Then, let's begin. First, let's define struggles or conflict. It is one of the elements of a short story. It refers to the issue that the main character is facing in the story. There are two categories of conflict: the internal and external conflict. First, we have the internal conflict. It refers to the character's internal struggle, which takes place in his or her mind, a struggle to make a decision or to overcome a feeling, or examples of it. The second one is the external conflict. It refers to the conflict between a character and external forces. This type of conflict can be between a character and another or a group of people. It can also be between a character and the force of nature, event, or situation. Now, let us have the types of literary conflict. The first is man versus self. The opposition or the struggle the character faces is coming from within. The second one, man versus man. One character's needs or wants are at odds with one another's. The third one, man versus nature. A character is set in opposition to nature, such as the weather, the wilderness, or a natural disaster. We also have man versus supernatural, putting characters against phenomena like ghosts, gods, or monsters. Then we have man versus technology. A character is in conflict with some kind of technology. Lastly, man versus society. The character is placed in opposition with society, the government, or a cultural tradition or societal norm of some kind. We may avoid these conflicts by developing conflict resolution skills. These are some ways on how to develop your conflict resolution skills. Number 1, listen effectively. Identify specific points of disagreement. Express your own needs clearly and view conflict as an opportunity for growth. Now that we're done, let's try this activity. Get a piece of paper and let's answer. I know you can do this. Identify the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. It is one of the elements of a short story. It refers to the issue that the main character is facing in the story. Is it A. Symbolism, B. Theme, C. Settings, or D. Conflict? Number 2. A type of conflict where the character is placed in opposition with society, the government, or a cultural tradition or societal norm of some kind. Man versus man, man versus society, man versus nature, or man versus self. What do you think is the answer? And for number 3, a type of conflict where one character's needs or wants are at odds with one another's. Is it man versus man versus society, man versus nature, or man versus self? Congratulations for completing this lesson. Thank you very much for watching and for listening. I will see you again. This is your Master Mela, always at your service.